In this short video, I'm going to walk you through how to actually log into your new WordPress site and then review some of the functionalities that you're going to be working on down the road in terms of changing content around, updating the blog. This is a very basic level video, and if you want more training and you want to learn more of the functionalities, please contact me and I'll give you some more videos that we've done. So obviously in this area right here, you'd enter your username and password, which we will provide for you. And once you log in, this is what you're going to see. This is a standard WordPress dashboard, okay? And I'm going to tell you the only two places that you're really concerned with right now, or where you're going to want to be doing anything or any changes to, are under posts and pages, okay? A post is related to a blog, like a blog post, okay? So some people do get confused. What's the difference between a post and a page? Well, a post, again, is strictly for a blog, okay? And a page is anything that you see is going to be in your drop-down menu. Here's the actual site. This is just a generic test site that we use. These are pages, okay? And usually they're static. They don't usually change very much. You know, you have like an About Us page or services provided, and you know it's a one-time shot. You put content up there, and you know it usually for the most part doesn't change. And unless you want to edit it a little bit, then that would be the only time you would really change out pages. Oh, you know, some people like to add a lot of pages, but that's for another training video. So if we have built a blog for you and you wanted to, you know, add additional content, you just go to this area right in here. Again, it's under the dashboard, and add new post. Okay, and if you know how to work on Microsoft Word, you'll be just fine with using this this backend feature. Pretty self-explanatory. You would put the title here, and then your content goes here, and here's like an editor to put bold, italicized, change the font around a little bit. Pretty basic functionalities. And once you put the content in here, all you're going to do is hit publish. So let's do an example. Test post content, and over here you would hit publish. Okay. If you wanted to view the post, you go right in here, and here's my test post. Okay, it looks kind of busy on this, but again, this is just a test site. Now, if I didn't like the content, I wanted to change it, I would just come back here and change it. Changed. Oops. And then republish it this way. If you wanted to delete the post, you go right over here, move to trash. Okay. Again, this is a very basic walkthrough on how to do this. If you go to all posts, this is going to walk you through on anything that's ever been published on your blog, and you've got functionalities to go in and edit it. You know, you can delete some of the stuff. I won't go too far into that because I wanted to keep this kind of a short video, under 5 minutes. But you know, it's a good way to go back and see if you needed to make any changes or edits. It's good to know that you can do it. I won't go into categories or tags in this particular video. This is important for SEO purposes or search engine optimization. But again, this is just a basic video to walk you through how to actually post to your blog. So let's go to pages. So again, going back to what pages look like. These are actual pages. They're usually in your menu or your navigation bar. And all you're going to do, if you want to see a list of all the pages that you have currently, you just go here. So About Us, Contact Us, and we did like an introduction. Again, this is just a test site. If we wanted to edit any of the content, we would go Edit. Okay, now we don't have a whole lot of content on this site, but let's just say you had an About Us that you wanted to change around, or an About Us page, or whatever. You could come in here and just do any editing that you needed to do. So, edit this. Okay, so let's say that's what it said previously. I can go in here, and if I wanted to add, a bigger header, make it bold, italic, you can do that. Basic functionalities. Again, if you know how to use Microsoft Word, you can do this just fine. If by chance you're not familiar with how to work any like Microsoft product or anything like that, let me know, and I'd be happy to come up with another solution for you on how to actually manage your pages and make corrections. In some cases, our clients just have us make all the changes, which we certainly can do for you. But for the most part, a lot of our clients they like to do the stuff themselves. So as long as you keep it super simple and you just go, you're just going to be dealing in the post areas and the pages areas, you shouldn't have any problems. It's not like you're going to do a whole lot of damage to the site. And then, of course, make sure when you do make an update to hit update. So that's it. That's a 50,000 foot view. This is what editing pages and adding a new post to a blog on any WordPress site is going to look like. So obviously your site is going to have a different domain name, but for the most part, that's it. That's all you need to know to make changes or make corrections or updates or whatever it is that you want to do to the site. If you have any questions, of course, we're just a phone call away, and appreciate your time.